that was nice. I did not realize that, well, this is the only second time I've been through here, but this is very popular camping. I'm assuming this is National Forest because I don't see any signs. Well, I don't know. I feel like National Forests have signs where you can camp. I don't know. What I'll say is I know some roads I've been down have marked camping spots and signs that say if it's not marked, you can't camp. But then there's other roads that don't have any signs anywhere, and people are camping all the time. So I don't do enough camping anymore to know. Man, I can tell you, this is a pretty steady down decline, and it is getting warmer as we go down. And I'm pretty sure, I'd be willing to bet if you go back and check the beginning of the video, the trees aren't blooming as much from where I started. Because it seems like it's quite a bit different in elevation. Difference in elevation. Yeah, everything's so green now. Well, not anymore. It was green back there. Bridge. Another thing I've been wanting to do a lot, I bought it and haven't used it yet, and I've had it for like a year, is a big magnet for magnet fishing. I bought a magnet fishing kit, and really to go do that, you know, speaking of bridges, not on that bridge back there, but on a bridge with a lot more traffic. I just have not taken the time to do it. You know, part of me, I kind of was like, I'll make videos of me doing that. That'd be fun. And then ride the motorcycle there, do my thing and ride back. But then I thought, you know, find something really cool and large, I can't take it back with me on a motorcycle. But I still haven't, I mean, I haven't even taken my truck out to do it either, so I don't know. I really just need to find some time. sketchy. Well, what kind of sucks is I thought I was going to get through this road a little bit faster because I had about 2 hours to ride, and more campers, and I'm at the point where I about need to turn around and start heading back because I'm about out of time. Which sucks, which means it took like, I think it took like 30 or 40 minutes just to get to this spot. Now here I am. Don't think this is the proper vehicle to bring down here, but alright. The old Kia Forte down here, tearing it up. There's a wide spot right there, brother. Take it. Come on. Jam on. There's some campers, but that looks like more permanent. Yeah, that's private property. Come on, man, scoot over. Got those cigarettes rolling. Just about taste it. Go. That's perfect. Oh my gosh, come on. What's the etiquette here? Should I beep? Should I wait? Should I get real passive and rev up the engine? Just take it, I guess. Actually, you know, I should probably turn around now, but I think I might be able to turn here and go up one of the roads. I don't know about exploring a new area, but okay, so here, yeah, Panola Road, never mind. So we're going up the Panola Road here. I think what we just turned back there was going to be Edgemont. This will take us right back up to the parkway. Ooh, it's muddy. On some slick tires too. This will take us back up to the parkway and where I went down into this valley. Oh my gosh. It's about like less than a mile, I think, apart. Okay, what I'm trying to say is the entrance to the road I just came off of is about less than a mile than where I'm going to come up to now. If I'm going to make it. So the last time I was on this road, it was not like this at all. This is super muddy and super slick. I bet they have recently graded it, or no, it doesn't look like it. Well, it kind of looks like it. Yeah, it was not like this, not even close. Gosh, I wish I had better tires. Not for safety reasons, which, I mean, yes, that would be nice, but more for it would just be kind of fun to kind of rip it up a little bit. So Panola Road is muddy. It's impressive how muddy it is, or you know, how muddy it got. I'm wondering how this one must be traveled a lot more, maybe, I don't know, because it seems like the one we just come off of should be a lot worse, a lot more traffic, and it was kind of the same. You know, the last time I was on it, it's kind of the same condition as this road, but this one has become a lot muddier.